99% of people will fail this impossible visual trivia challenge. Identify this massive geological formation visible from space. What is the name of this ancient Greek analog computer? Identify this bizarre, highly venomous sea slug. What is the specific architectural term for this structural element? Which mysterious, undeciphered historical text is this? Identify this specific type of virus. Which ancient script is written on this clay tablet? Which Chinese dynasty used this flag? Identify this specific astronomical object. What is the name of this archaeological site, considered the world's oldest temple? Identify this critically endangered mammal. Which chemical element forms these distinct stair-step crystals? What is the name of this enigmatic bronze artifact? Which ancient alphabet is carved into this stone? Identify this Bronze Age artifact. Which unique desert plant is shown here? Identify this specific type of cloud formation. What is the name of this crucial multilingual rock relief? Identify this massive, foul-smelling flower. What class of vehicle is this Soviet-era machine? Which famous manuscript features this illustration? Identify this unique bone in the human body. Which nuclear test produced this specific mushroom cloud? What is the architectural term for these sculpted female figures serving as pillars? Which sunken landmass is highlighted in this map? Identify this ancient hill figure. To which extinct creature does this fossilized structure belong? Identify this unusual bird. What is the name of this early mechanical computer? Which archaeological find is this iconic helmet from? Whose famous medical specimen is shown here? What scientific concept does this device demonstrate? Which famous building features this unglazed opening? Oculus? Which celestial object is depicted in this section of the Bayeux Tapestry? Identify this ancient city ruins. Which doomed historical warship is this? Identify this historical cipher device. Which living fossil tree produces these distinct leaves? Identify this apex predator of the Cambrian period. Which large flightless bird possesses this distinct head structure? What is the geological term for this natural tube of glass? Identify these unusual spherical geological formations. Which famous Tepui tabletop mountain is this? Identify this unusual glaciological feature. What is concealed beneath this heavy, bolted metal cap? Which artifact is this? Which historic spacecraft is this? To which extinct armored fish does this skull belong? What scientific breakthrough is depicted in this image? What was the code name for this specific nuclear device?